In today's video, I'll teach you how to see order history on AliExpress. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in aliexpress.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of AliExpress. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to see your order history, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're logged into your account, right over here, you'll be able to see your name. If you hover over it, you'll be able to find the options like My Orders, My Coins, Message Center, etc. Click on this option, My Orders, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the order history interface. You'll be able to see all of your orders over here. You'll be able to see all the orders including to pay, to ship, shipped and processed. Also, you can search for the order by the order ID, product or store name. If you want to search for this specific order, you can simply click on this field. Now enter the order ID, product or store name and you'll be able to search for that specific order. Likewise, you can also choose the time period. Right now, last year is selected. If you click on it, you'll be able to find other options like 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, etc. Click on the option of your choice. Now you'll be able to see the order history for that particular time period. So that is how you see order history on AliExpress. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.